Well, Sears Canada back in bankruptcy court today, and they're looking to do some more things right now, potentially closing more stores. We're going over to Mike Eppel at 680.
Yeah, indeed, Melanie. Good morning. Sears over the weekend announced that they had planned to close 11 more locations, including a number right here in the GTA, but they have to get the court approval to do so. So they'll be going to the Ontario Superior Court with that request today. That's another 1,200 jobs on top of the 2,600 already cut by Sears Canada. Some questions about the viability over the longer term for this retailer, which is still trying to figure out whether it's going to be bought by the former chairman, Brandon Stransel, who's trying to line up the financing to buy some of the assets, or some analysts say if you're going to liquidate, do it sooner rather than later to actually take advantage of consumers who are starting their Christmas shopping potentially, so you can get the most for the creditors. So lots of questions still about Sears Canada going forward. They still have more than 10,000 employees across the country. Canadians buying cars and trucks like never before. The auto dealerships have had a really strong year. It's one component of the retail sector which has been going at a record-breaking pace. And DeRossi Automotive Consultants doing their tabulation from the September numbers for auto sales, and right now we're on pace for over 2 million cars and trucks sold across the country this year, which would shatter the previous record. And we'll see what the real estate retail market's doing a little bit later on this morning when the Toronto Real Estate Board reports the September data. If we use Vancouver as a template, Vancouver was on a nosedive from a sales standpoint after the provincial government there put in some new rules and regulations regarding real estate sales. The Toronto market earlier this spring faced the similar scenario, and it's been on a summertime slump. Vancouver's starting to rebound according to the September numbers in yesterday. The Toronto market probably still a few months behind that, but we'll get the official data later today. And Wall Street, more records yesterday. The Dow hitting something like its 44th record of the year. The TSX has been up in 14 of 17 trading days. The September, now October market rally continues. We'll send it back to the studio.
Yeah, Mike, it's going to be very interesting. Those numbers due out just about 20 minutes from now. So hopefully after 7 o'clock this morning, we'll get some more reaction from you. But you're right. Toronto's numbers have sort of been following Vancouver, but a few months back.
That's right. It takes a few months, about 6 to 8 months to see an actual trend going here. So we'll see if the summer was slow. We'll see if the September numbers started to show a pickup in the pace of sales and prices.